Okay, in this video here I'm going to show you how we prepped and painted the epoxy flooring of our machine shop. Right now we've got a coworker of mine. He is there with a grinder making sure the floor is level with no high spots. We then shop back and then went on to mopping to get any dust or debris off so there's no oil or contaminants or anything sitting on the concrete before we start painting. But I'm going to go ahead and let the music play here so you can watch it. At the very end there's the reveal when we pull the tape and the two different colors come together. It's pretty satisfying to watch, so I'm going to go ahead and let that play out and enjoy the video.